First thing you're going to want to do is come in the back passenger side door and move the seat forward and pull the weather trim up just like that. Then you're going to see these two grommets here. You're going to want to remove those. And another one right here. This one has a screw-based portion on it. Unscrew that. Pop those plastic pieces. Pull this forward, just like that. But this pulled forward right here is a Phillips screw. You'll want to remove that. Then with the trim pulled forward, this pulled forward, and that Phillips screw out. Take a Phillips, and right here's this green piece down there and down there. Pop that forward, pop that forward, and then move this forward just enough where you can sneak your hand down there. And you'll find right there, you follow it up, and there it is. And then here, press that tab and pull down. Now we can simply pull it right out, just like that. Take your 10 mil, remove that bolt. This one off with a 12, and then pop your new one back on. Cinch the nut down. We're gonna snake this back up through. And hook that down. And then hook this down. With the new one installed, come in through here, grab your new wire. It's not the most comfortable position, and then click it right in place. Now you're going to want to do the opposite of what you did on removal, on install, and then you're good to go.